Scott from WarmlyYours, and today we're going to be talking about roof and gutter de-icing. If we take a look at this roof, you can see it's a metal roof, so we have wires, heating cables, going up the seam along each side, over the seam, and then back down. We also have heating cable going into the gutters to allow that melting water to come out and go down through the gutters and get to the ground. If this were an asphalt roof, we would be doing triangles on here. That helps clear the edge of the roof to get the water down into the gutters and onto the ground. But let's take a look here. If you take a look at the wall, what we need to do is we need to measure the amount of roof that hangs out from the wall, and that's the minimum height our cable is going to go on the roof. That's the unheated portion of the roof. The basic premise of roof and gutter de-icing is to get the snow off the roof into a gutter and provide it a way to get down to the ground. So in this shot, we can see where the triangles or the cables going up the metal roof seams are, but also you may not be able to see that the cable goes down into the gutter and then down the downspout. It's very important to get the gutter heated and also the downspout heated, because if the downspout isn't heated, then the water gets to the downspout and freezes, and then it's trapped up at the roof level. Now, when we talk about the heating cable, that's all fine and good, but you have to have a power connection point for that. And right up here, that white box is where the circuit is run to the spot by the gutter, and that's where the heating cable is attached. Right here we can see where the clips and the cable are. So you have the cable runs along this gutter, and it's held in place by an aluminum clip with metal fingers that hold the cable in place. That aluminum clip is held to the gutter with an adhesive pad. When you're doing these installations, you need to make sure that you install it at temperatures above 40 degrees for best results. All right, well, that wraps up our brief overview on roof and gutter de-icing. If you need any more information, feel free to join us at WarmlyYours.com.